Hello friends and welcome to the Coin Engineer YouTube channel. The 22nd video of our Introduction to Technical Analysis series is the Elliott waves and how to use it. But before we start, I would like to say that you can have all the crypto information you need for free from our YouTube channel. So do not forget to subscribe and keep the notifications on for our upcoming videos. Elliott waves is a method of market analysis based on the idea that the market forms the same types of price patterns and these movements have a connection with trading psychology. These patterns provide indications as to what might happen next in the market, and they occur in every single time frame. You can have access to Elliott wave and other patterns from the patterns bar. Elliott waves are a combination of 5 times price movements in an up or downtrend, followed by 3 or more corrections in the market. Out of these 5 waves, 3 waves are in the direction of the trend, and these Elliott waves are known as impulse waves, which are 1, 3, and 5. The other 2 waves within the trend are known as motive waves, which are 2 and 4. These motive waves are our entry points to catch up with an uptrend or sell during a downtrend. There are 3 main rules for an Elliott wave pattern to occur. The second wave cannot exceed the bottom of the first wave. Our third wave has to be higher than wave 1, and wave 4 cannot exceed the top of our first wave. For example, in this area, we had another 5 times price movement, but this is not an Elliott wave because our fourth wave had exceed the top of wave 1, and for that reason, this is not an Elliott wave. If you follow the rules, then you will have a less chance of making mistakes. As I said, the Elliott waves are 5 times price movements followed by 3 or more times of price corrections, and there are several types of correction patterns. For example, after our Elliott wave forms here, it follows with a triple price correction. Let's put it in here. It's a triple combo. Our first correction, second correction, and third correction, as you can see. And at the end of this downtrend, we have a triangle pattern, and this price movement can continue for a while in this formation. There are also diagonal patterns, flat patterns, zigzag patterns, and double or triple combo waves, just like in this area. Technically, if the market price is not moving in a trend direction, it is forming a correction pattern. The timeline of these correction patterns may vary, ergo it is always best to wait for trading until a new trend starts. Elliott waves are best to use in conjunction with Fibonacci retracement to identify Fibonacci levels. If you don't know how to use Fibonacci retracements, you can find the link for our tutorial set under this video. Now, if we are going to use the Fibonacci retracement, then there are some additional rules to our main rules of identifying Elliott waves. Let's erase all these drawings and draw an Elliott wave at this area again and select our Fibonacci retracement. And we need to put our Fibonacci retracement from the start point of our Elliott wave until the end of our first wave. Our wave 2 has to be between 0.618 and 0.5 levels of our wave 1, and our wave 3 needs to be at 1.618 or above that level. These are our first 2 rules. If our Elliott wave matches with these 2 rules, then our third rule requires our Fibonacci retracement to measure the top of our third wave till its bottom, and at this area our fourth wave can extend to 0.236 level, but in this case it touched to 0.5 of our third wave. If all these conditions are matched, then you are most likely looking at an Elliott wave. Essentially, Elliott waves reflects traders' psychology on market prices and acts as an indicator. Psychology and fundamental analysis play an essential part in trading. For that reason, our next video will be about trading psychology, and also you can find out more about the fundamental analysis, latest blockchain news, new airdrop chances, NFT markets, and metaverse projects through our other tutorial sets and social media accounts. You can find the links in the descriptions under this video. And And that is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed our content. If you did, please drop a like under the video. And if you would like to see more of our content, please click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching and take care. Until next time.